I am Nelly. Welcome to 中国妈妈学英语. Today, we're going to go through our English lesson together. We'll cover 1. Story 2. Vocabulary. Now, it's time for our story, The Underground Train Adventure.
What a great day! Hey everyone, let's explore the MRT station. Keep going, you're almost there. Wow, this escalator is so fast. I wonder what's at the bottom. This is so cool. 3 whole minutes? I wonder if it'll be a fast train.
It's okay, take your time.
Oh no, the train ticket is missing! Check your pockets, maybe it's there. Let's see what we have in here. Ooh, books and a teddy bear. Without my train card, I could not pass through the fare gate.
Don't worry, that's the red one.
What do I do?
Use the green gate next to it.
Close your eyes. Breathe in calm.
I have an idea.
I remember putting my favorite train card right here. I found it! My train card! Phew, I was so worried! My train card! This is the best!
Tap the card.
Gate opening.
Have a great trip.
Time to walk forward. Good, now stop at the yellow line.
Wow, the train is here! What an adventure this has been.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe and join our family. Now, let's move on to our vocabulary session.
Today, I am taking the underground train to town. I am walking to MRT station. Could you tell me how to get to the train?
I tap my Easy Link card against the card reader at the gantry. You can reach the train by going this way.
Okay, I am taking the purple Northeast MRT line.
The display board shows the arrival time. Taking the underground train is fast and easy. Priority seating is reserved for seniors and those with disabilities.
Smoking, eating, and drinking, bring flammable items or durians are not allowed. I have to hold the pole since I can't reach the handrail. Yay! I finally arrived at Chinatown MRT station.
在这个有趣的几分钟故事中，妈妈和孩子们将学习新的英语单词。
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe and join our family. It's time for our Q&A session.
Where is the underground train station? A. Beside the beach. B. Serangoon Station. C. Inside a shopping mall.
A train card. Correct. How long does it take to walk to the station? About 7 minutes. Yay! Where do passengers wait for the train?
A. On the platform. What sound does the gate make when tapped? A. Ring ring. Correct answer, C. Why do people stand behind the yellow line?
B. To stay safe.
What helps people go down to the platform?
An escalator.
That's right, B. An escalator.
Is the train journey slow or fast? The train zooms past playfully. Correct answer, B.
It's time to say goodbye for now. See you in the next lesson.